Hey there, YouTubers and YouTuberettes. Night Door here. Bob, the trucker, for those of you that have been following my little saga that's only 8 videos, now 9 videos long. Working on, as some of you know from a couple of videos back, I received a gift of 18 pipes from a friend of my father who's no longer smoking, and I'm in the process of restoring them. In case you're interested, smoking Corncob Lieutenant. That's a Missouri Meerschaum General that had 1/2 inch cut off the top, and silver band and stem courtesy of Walker Briar Works. Smoking McClellan Georgia Cream, which is a wonderful peach, and as I've mentioned before, extremely sweet. I like the extremely sweet, but has a bit of an odd aftertaste. Now, I wasn't going to buy any more because of the odd aftertaste, but sometimes, oddly, every tobacco sometimes works better in a certain exact pipe. And for some reason, in this particular cob, it's smoking beautifully. I may just keep it around just for this cob. Now, I'm in the process. Hold on. In the process of restoring one of the pipes. I've already taken care of the bowl. It's a nice little bent billiard, sort of, and was fairly caked up. I took care of that. I kept a little bit of the cake. Saved me some of the trouble of building up cake. I thoroughly cleaned it out inside, polished up the outside, and I'm working on the stem. Now the stem, if you can see it, has quite a bit of chatter around the mouthpiece, and one big bite chomp mark, you know, right about in the middle. And I'm rubbing it out with pipe stem restoration kit from Walker Briar Works. Dave Wolf at Walker, not only does he make the forever stems, he also does pipe repair work, and stem restoration is his specialty. And he sells these kits if you want to do it for yourself. Deoxidizer, cleaner, it'll rub out. It was much worse than it is at the current time, and I've already partially buffed it out, and I'm going to keep working on it till it's smooth. And then once it's all smoothed out, apply carnauba wax polish sealer to it, and that works on the bowl as well. And so I will keep working on it till it's all smoothed out, and when it's done, I will show you the progress. Till next time, may all your roads be smooth, the chicken house is closed, and may your pipe never run empty. God bless.